How to change to UI language in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve. Once you are on the main screen, look at the top menu bar and click on DaVinci Resolve. In the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open a new window where you can adjust various settings. Next, in the Preferences window, go to the User tab. Under this tab, you will see a section labeled UI Settings. Here find the option called Language. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, and you will see a list of available languages. Scroll through and select the language you want to DaVinci Resolve to use. After selecting your preferred language, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom right of the Preferences window. This step is crucial because the changes won't apply unless you save them. Finally, close DaVinci Resolve completely and then reopen it. When the program restarts, the user interface will be displayed in the new language you selected, making it easier for you to navigate and work with the tools. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat these steps and you will have no trouble changing the UI language again. And that's it. Now you know how to change to UI language in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.